Now, maybe you have a two-wire system from ClearCom or RTSU, and you're doing a production where you need to link those in to an RTS system, or you need to link those in to an AS67 network. With two-wire audio, sometimes that's also used by touring production companies. They come in with all their legacy equipment, and you're faced with this two-wire intercom, which is actually quite difficult to integrate. So with the NSA003, we actually provide for two-wire connections right on the front here. We support both ClearCom and RTS connections, and it allows us to take those, convert them to a digital signal, and then have them as part of the network. Now, we also offer echo cancellation because it's a two-wire system, not four-wire. And so then we can take this two-wire system, get rid of the echo or the side tone, and we can have that then available as AS67 audio in the network. Now, the NSA003s, they're small modular devices, so it means we have two different two-wire connections available. You'll also see on the back that we have some GPIs. There are 3 GPI ins and 3 GPI outs if we need, for example, to trigger a call light or trigger an on-air light, maybe detect when a door has been opened in order to change the volume of a loudspeaker, anything like that, we can already link in via the NSA003. And we also have USB audio that we can connect in, and you can see details of that in another video. Now, in order to link the NSA003 into the network, you will install it wherever it needs to be. You'll connect it to the network, and then using the feedback, which you can see in another video, then you can get the feedback, you can identify the device, you can configure it for the network, and then you just need to link in the two-wire intercom system to the ports on the front.